This video course is about how to send rapid video messages inside TimeBolt. Since before 2019, it's been super easy to record a 10-minute video and send it in a link. So you have to ask yourself, why do people still take 30 minutes to write a 5-paragraph email instead? I'd say it's social risk. It's why you found this video. It's simply not smart to send a 10-minute unedited video message that's 35% longer than necessary and that you wouldn't even watch yourself. TimeBolt is a Swiss Army knife of workflows, which includes the exclusive ability to send watchable video messages in an unlisted link faster than you can record it. Every workflow you see here, a 1-to-1 edit to record speed. Only you will be able to record a 10-minute video message and go from a 10-minute snooze fest, speaking at 150 words per minute, cut into 7 at a fully caffeinated 210 words per minute, and off free, and send as a banger in an unlisted link with GIF preview in 10 minutes or less. That's everything you need to get somebody to click and watch faster than anyone else on planet Earth. In this course, you will learn how to capture your webcam and screen, run silence detection and Umcheck automations, edit and fine-tune cuts with keys USOB, enhance what you keep with turbo mode, finally, export and send a video banger in an unlisted link. Video bangers can be up to 14 minutes long. The link, it stays live for about 30 days. Now it's only available to monthly and annual subscribers, and the free version is limited to 4-minute bangers and watermarked. Or you can just save it to your computer and the message can be as long as you want. And as you record, there are 3 pro tips entirely unique to TimeBolt. First, you control when video is on and off just by when you talk. Silence skips in preview, so it's like it never even happened. So don't stop recording when you mess up. Just stop talking, start over, and cut out retakes super fast. Now, this tutorial was recorded, cut, stitched together from 5 separate videos and chaptered for YouTube entirely in TimeBolt. It's not whiz-bang, but I want to show you what's possible with a little pre-planning, capture, and keynote. Let's jump right in. Now, of course, before you start recording, you need to set permissions for your screen and set it for your mic. I'm on a Mac, you may be on a PC. The process is the same. Once permissions are set, I click this camera icon to open screen capture. The control panel opens, I can select my camera and mic inputs. Now, here's where TimeBolt starts to show off. You can switch between live camera sources, even mid-recording. Okay, this is entirely unique to TimeBolt. For example, I can switch to my iPhone and show you my camera setup. This is still recording. For my setup, I'm using a Sony ZV-E10 with an HDMI out into a Camlink 4K, but you don't need all this fancy gear, okay? This is something that works great on any webcam or phone camera. I can resize my thumbnail horizontally, vertically. You can simply click in the middle and drag it anywhere on the screen that you want to go. For example, I can hit full screen, and when I start talking again, boom. The camera switches angles. It's like I switch scenes. If you're on a Mac for quick video messages, I select the quick recording style. Right now I'm recording this tutorial, so it's in high quality, but it's a lot faster to share and upload to Slack a 10 meg video file than 100 megs in a quality for YouTube. As you can see, the quality is still very much watchable. When you're done, you just click stop recording. TimeBolt will save your file and then ask if you'd like to auto push into the editor. Either way, the raw file is going to be saved to your computer. When you open TimeBolt, 85% of the cut work is already done for you. Silence in red is detected and skipped, so it's like it never even happened. You control when video is on and off by when you talk. Now, I'm not going to take a whole bunch of time on settings. If things go screwy, words getting cut off, just reset the default values if you've messed around. And you always have to hit update silence detection settings after you get done updating your detection settings. But what I would like to point out is random noise like mic strikes and coughs. Okay, if you see like random noise being caught, that's done by this ignore detection shorter than. Leave it at 0.75. It really does a heck of a lot of good just cleaning up random filler content. Now, if your video is unscripted and over 10 minutes, it's like an important client update, you're going to click here to run Umcheck to remove the filler words and phrases and repeats. Now you get 3 free trials of Umcheck. You can buy a bank of credits. Once Umcheck transcribes a video, you can add any unique word, tick, or phrase. Just simply type it into this existing list. You can check for word repeats and phrases. Now, what happens is after you hit turn off selected cuts, TimeBolt overlays those cuts with the waveform technology, catching 50% more filler content. After you turn off the filler, I'm typically seeing anywhere between 10 to 15% of a timeline, of an unscripted timeline, is entirely filler. You're going to be going from 126 words per minute snooze fest to 206 words per minute. Without the dead air and filler, it's well worth the time to your viewers. Now, you've learned to record, run your automations, and now let's fine-tune cuts with keys USOB. No, I'm not calling you that. It's just a very simple way to remember the quick keys. Now, before you edit, first thing you want to do is put preview at 1.5x speed. This way, when I click the space bar, I'm going to be watching it at 1.5x by default. Hit space bar. Sure, you can turn scenes on or off by clicking the playhead or above the playhead, okay, or by going over here and clicking create split to create a split. But why would you do that? It would be going way too slow, but I promise you a light bulb will go off once you start pressing the keys USOB, literally on your keyboard. U unwinds 3 spaces. You see it went from here to here. If I wanted to create a split between the word, I click S, US. There, I created a split, as you can see. I can click O to turn the existing scene off. I can do that very fast. Or after I've heard something, I can click B and back cut. See how that disappears? And watch, I don't even have to stop the playhead. Look, it was really fast to show you. Maybe hit rewind, hit pause, but the USOB keys are a game changer. It was fast because it actually is fast in real life. And until you press these keys, you won't understand the true speed of TimeBolt. After I get done with my automation, sculpting down my timeline, now I want to apply turbo mode, because who doesn't want to talk 12% faster and not sound like a chipmunk? You simply hit this key, and as you can see, my speed multiplier is 1.125x. We find that's the ideal speed to talk. You're going to be talking 12% faster. And from inside this menu, I don't even need to go back to the previous menu. From inside Turbo, I can send a banger or export a video. I can click export and upload to an unlisted link with a banger. And my banger is created. Right from here, I can hit copy to link into any other program. If I click this, it will open my banger webpage where you can see the number of views. Again, this is an unlisted link. And here's the cool part. When you share that link in Slack, on LinkedIn, or in Messenger, it auto-generates this GIF preview. People won't just see a link, they'll see your video and want to click it. And to send as a GIF in an email, you simply head to the banger page like I've done, click share, and you would copy this snippet to send it in email. You just learned how to capture, cut, and send watchable video messages faster than you record them. We're posting new workflow tutorials regularly. Subscribe, hit that bell if you're on YouTube, and let's keep making video that doesn't suck to watch. And I'm out of time.